Mega.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, Mamela and friends. Today we're going to present about discussion text. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ufika Lasati from absent 28.
My name is Salsabila Firmansyah from absent 34.
So first we have everyone to presentation about discussion text. The first thing is definition. So what is definition of discussion text? So discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints like pro and cons. And the next one is function. The purpose of discussion text is to inform the readers about a particular topic, issue, or questioning by presenting different perspective, opinion, and argument.
And the next we got their instructor. For the first one, we got statement of issue. It talks about what are we gonna talk about in the text, like for the topic, the introduction, and it should be clear and engaging to the readers. And then we got supporting arguments and contrast argument. Both needs to be backed up with evidence and opinion by the expert, so it was proven that it happened in real life. And then for the last one, we got the recommendation, and it should be neutral for the readers to read.
Next, we move to the language features. So the first language features is thinking verbs. For examples like feel, hope, and believe. These verbs express opinions, belief, or emotions, which are essential in a discussion text to present subjective viewpoints. And the second one is contrastive conjunction. For example, like however, on the other hand, but, and although. This word or phrase link ideas and introduce opposite points, helping to balance the discussion. Next. The third language features is modalities like must, shall, could, and may. Modal verbs indicate the degree of necessity, possibility, or recommendation, often used to weigh option or suggest action. The fourth one is adverbials of manner, like deliberately and hopefully. This describes the way action or thought are performed, adding depth and precision to the arguments. And the last one is simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express general truth, current opinions, or habitual action, which are the key in a discussion text.
So this is for the example. The title is the role of technology in education. Number one is statement of issue. So in this section, the issue being discussed, it highlights the importance of exploring how technology affects teaching methods, student engagement, and the overall educational landscape. For the
This part uses adverbials of manner, like fostering a dynamic and responsive learning process to describe all the. Next. Next is recommendation or conclusion. In this section, a solution or conclusion is provided. It emphasizes the need for balanced use of technology, addressing inequalities and ensuring data privacy. For this, language features uses modalities like is crucial and are imperative to show necessity. And it also includes an adverbial of manners, judiciously, to describe how technology should be integrated.
Okay, next we move to answering some questions. So for the first question is, what do you think about the future's method of payments?
The future of payment method is likely to be dominated by digital, contactless, and decentralized technologies.
And the second question is, in your opinion, what are the factors that cause people to use the cashless method? So basically, there's so many causes that cause people to use the cashless method. But the main factors is cashless payments are quicker and more efficient, reducing the need to carry physical cash or wait for change.
Okay, the next question is, if you were to choose between a cash or cashless method of payment, which will you prefer and why? So, for of us is prefer to use cash because first is the transaction can use everywhere. Unlike digital payment, a method that requires internet access, cash is accept all in all place, includes small shop, traditional markets that may not be available, and the second one is control over our spending. So when we pay with cash, we can physically see the money leave our hands. So that's why we choose a cash.
And the last question is, in your country, do people prefer use cash or cashless? Actually, it depends on the province. If it's in Jakarta, most people will prefer to use cashless because how easy to use it and how the advanced technology we use. But in different province or maybe in Maluku, Papua, Sumatra and others, they still prefer cash because they don't have the advanced technology that we use in Jakarta. So in general, most of Indonesians still prefer to use cash because they don't need to use any network or additional information.
So for the conclusion that discussion text, the purpose of discussion text is to inform the reader about particular type or issue from different points, and discussion text itself has a binary structure of issue, argument for, argument against, and also recommendation.
Okay, so that's the presentation from us. We sorry if we make any mistake. Thank you for listening.